Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys, as you'll see in this video, a absolutely gorgeous and pristine 2017 ACURA NSX. Does have 17,000 original and documented miles. Title in hand, in-house, ready to sign over. Perfect history, flawless Carfax report, no previous repairs. Dealer service since day one of ownership, nearly 30 service records available. The entire front clip of the car, fenders forward, the entire car is full expel, as well as the pillars. Car does have new tires on it as well. Does have expel tint all the way around. It is ceramic tint. Door handle is open because the keys are in my pocket. Do want to mention too, front carbon. Which is full expel with the skids underneath as well, which we'll have video of that later on in this video, as well as photographs. Full carbon side skirts as well. Paint on this car is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think there's one curb rashing or scratch on any of the wheels. We have a 305 30/20 on the rear. Like I mentioned, tires are new. Full carbon engine bay. Here are your full titanium charge pipes. It also has upgraded down pipes, as well as an upgraded exhaust, as well as a tune. Turbos sound amazing at idle. You hear them spewing. Under load, car sounds absolutely awesome. While we're here, window shade, triple charger, factory pipes, books, manuals, your inflator, original badges, and 2 keys in my pocket. Rear carbon diffuser. In addition to the full front clip PPF, the car has also recently been fully ceramic coated. That's the entire exterior, wheels, glass, everything. Car drives out absolutely perfect. We'll have a drivability video later on in this video.
Alright guys, here we are in the drivability portion. First of all, this car drives 100% flawlessly every way. I mean, tracks completely straight going down the road. Everything inside the car works exactly as it should. We are in regular Sport Plus mode right now. We're in 9th gear. With the upgraded charge pipes, down pipes, and exhaust, one nice thing about this particular NSX compared to stock ones is way better throttle response. You hear the turbo spool up instantly. Even at idle, you hear the turbos. Obviously, with the different driving dynamic modes, if you want to be in chill mode, you can do that, and you can get pretty aggressive in the car as well. What I love about this car compared to most exotics is just the comfort of the car between the seats. You can drive this car 6 hours on the highway and be completely comfortable. It won't fatigue you. Sort of the best of both worlds, if you will. Degrees today. AC's blowing ice cold. Cars below temp. Let's get around this guy real quick. Car does have either to me it seems some sort of aftermarket diverter valve as well. It's definitely a release. All the buttons are absolutely perfect. I mean, it's literally a flawless car. Well, nothing's flawless, but as you see, it's very, very, very clean. You have both keys. We are on a part of 295 where there's a lot of cops in this area.